Hey people, well as promised, at the end of the last video I did, I was going to do a video of these two fans together. Well, here they are. And these are two late 60s era box fans made by Hunter. Branded Ward Signature and Hunter respectively. So I just thought I'd do a video of them running together. Here's high on both of them. Both have a lot of power. Really powerful when they're running together. It's medium. Low. Both of them back to high. And both of them off. And of course the Hunter brand one wins and coast downtime. And it still keeps going and going and going. Anytime now. Still waiting. Finally it stops. So there you have it, my two late 60s Hunter box fans. With the Ward Signature on the left and the Hunter on the right. So thank you for watching.